Racism don't work without black cooperation. We talking about public accommodations, the right to access the courts. The right to access the court. That's the Supreme Court of the United States. That's Thurgood Marshall. And that's Ivan Bates. Alright, that's Ivan Bates. I've been knowing Ivan Bates since he worked with Jessamy. Alright? We talking about the dissent decree. That's the First Amendment, protected activity. Alright? That's Judge Badar of the dissent decree, and that's 2023. This is Special Agent Richard McFeely from the FBI, 2011. See that right there? Attorney-client privilege, Thomas Saunders. Alright? Identity theft, credit card theft, forgery, selling and, alright? Selling and transporting drugs. All this is in here. Bank of America, 1997-2008, IRS fraud. Alright? That's me. I was locked up in another state. That's Patrick Fitzgerald from the Department of Justice. And the state's attorney had this on February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:54 a.m. Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office. Alright? Everything's right here. Racist behavior. We talking about racism in the courts. February 2nd, 2011. Judge Badar has this. Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court got this. And Ivan Bates got this. These are the inmates. Like I said, making a documentary ain't against the law. Starbucks and Shorty. And Cory McCray been covering this up. That's why I push his buttons. That's my visitor's pass to City Hall, and I've been to Annapolis 1,000 times. Have you ever defended anything I asked you to defend?
No!
And that's why I push your buttons. Is know your favorite word? Have you ever said yes?
This is my last word. No!
Never let nobody tell you no unless they got the power to tell me yes. You got checks and balances in the government. You're supposed to be able to check. No part of the government is stronger than the other. Judicial, executive, and legislative. You're the legislative branch, and you're supposed to hold the judicial branch accountable, and you don't. You make a lot of money off the war on drugs. Like I said, I'm a whistleblower. That's 2011, 8:54 a.m. Did we know we were lying about the drugs? Of course we did. We talking about mass incarceration. I'm the cook in Baltimore, and that's me on the House of Cards. All right. And my friends miss me at Starbucks. I got to pull this off the board, but we starring today is Ivan Bates. Ivan Bates got my information. See that? That's Whistleblower, the movie. Individual acknowledgement. That's notarized. And that's the office of the governor. You feel me? Dwayne Shorty Davis. ID theft, income tax evasion, fraud. You got this, and you've been working on the state's attorney's office since Jessamy was in office. You feel me? You got my paperwork in your office. You got it last Monday. I'm supposed to pick it up today. We talk about voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. Ex-felons got a right to vote. We talk about the Baltimore Sun. We talk about Fox 45, David Smith, because y'all filed charges against me. I'm a whistleblower. It's the movie. It's notarized. It makes it legal in any state in this country. And we're going to take it to court. You made the movie I Got a Monster? Well, I got one called I Defeated the Beast. And it's all right here. Whistleblower, the movie. Notarized. Harford County. All about Ivan Bates, the Democratic and the Republican Party. Governor Hogan. Mass incarceration. Stop and frisk. Zero tolerance. Judges, lawyers, and politicians. They get paid to lock up Black Baltimore. The office of Governor Westmore. Identity theft. I'm taking it down. So I'm getting ready to feed you. I'm gonna feed you. You feel me? So Ivan Bates, it's the dissent decree. Judge Badar, that's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I know you're gonna say no, but I'd like to hear you say it anyway.
No!
Yeah. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects?
No.
That's February 2nd, 2011. That's the day my mother died. You feel me? Christmas just ain't Christmas without the ones you love. Ivan Bates, remember that.